bunge-ini ya gĩbũrũri nĩwe Opiyo wandayi akiuga atĩ ona bũrũri kana ona bũrũri ũkoretwo ũkĩhota harĩ kũhũrana na mathina ma ugitiri na marĩa makoretwo makĩgomera bũrũri wa Kenya.
Haiti is in the doorstep of the United States of America. The people should take responsibility. And before you consider people coming from the African continent, should people living in North and South America or in the Caribbean. And you should be reminded that Opiyo wandayi, you are right. South Africa has been to Haiti with a navy. And therefore, this decision to take Kenyan policemen to Haiti, a country which is led by gangs, we should be extremely careful. We should be careful. The Haitians are our brothers. They are black people. They fought against the French. They are the first black people we can say were truly patriotic to create an enclave of Africans in the Caribbean.
That we can still come as we sail the seas. The fact that we are in dialogue, the fact that we are engaged in dialogue with Kenya does not mean that we abdicate our oversight responsibilities.
Yes.
We must continue to put this regime in check, even as we continue dialogue with it. As Ruto wants to take our policemen and women to Haiti, and yet we have got problems here that the police need to deal with. He wants to use our policemen and women as guinea pigs. He wants our policemen and men to be killed like rats in Haiti. When we have got serious issues of security in this country that need to be dealt with. This is our hopeless regime. Okay, man. So it is our duty to work ensuring that this regime falls as soon as possible, even as we engage in them in talks.
Ruto has no capacity to run Kenya because governments are run using brains. He doesn't have. The only thing Ruto is good at is parroting in international arena. He's been parroting all over the place. So now we have two options only. You either take over government and run it, or we donate you to them the way we did when we did Ansho.
Yes.
We donate you to them on loan, you help them reorganize government, so that we can have a better country. Because this country is going to collapse if Ruto is going to be tied. Together with his team, the deputy, the ministers, they are all confused. They don't know what is going on. Can you imagine ministers being rated at 0.1%? So Baba, that is the only thing I want to pray, and I want to pray for, that Kenyans must know that this guy is incapable. He has no brains, his team has no brains, he's zero.
Na